Okay, I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I'm shaking. I'm shaking like a leaf.
Bringing back socks with sandals. What? Socks with sandals. Bringing back socks with sandals. What? Socks with sandals. Survivor.
Oh. Okay, I got toe walking and escaper. Hey.
I don't even.
Ew, you guys look crazy.
Wow,
Ew.
Such a nice.
Is this you,
What do
Kaylynn?
you mean, ew? Yeah, I look good.
No.
You look like a
Ew.
dead person.
Why are you guys so close to me?
You look like
I
evil.
just see you up close. Okay, we could just go this way towards the light, maybe.
Okay.
Oh God.
Going down the trail.
Alright, let's run, 'cause
Going
I
down the
don't-
trail. Halloween update. Jesus Christ.
And I oop, dude. What the heck?
And I oops. Rockstar. Hey, I'm coming with you,
Okay.
boy. Come back here.
Oh my god, the way you run is insane.
Thank you.
Hey there. I got the fuel. Shh. You can't do that.
You can't do that. He can hear.
I didn't do it. It did it.
I
It
can
did it
hear
on its
you,
own.
dude. He can hear you.
Get me out of here, man! Get me out of here!
I'm stuck. Close these doors. I
Oh
can't
my
move.
god. Oh my god. Wait, what? Close what door?
I'm fucking stuck here. I can't move.
Okay.
Jesus Christ! Get me out of here! Get me out of here! Get me out of here! I'm going upstairs. Shh, 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 shh.
Guys, I'm running. Oh, where, Emily? I'm at the barn. Oh, I see you. I see you.
Hello? Anybody in here? Toothbrush. 3 toothbrush. This is like when I went to Jason Nash's house and there was 3 toothbrush. There was one for Wyatt, one for Charlie, one for Jason.
Did he attack somebody?
He got me, and then he got Weston, I think. Oh my god. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. Shh, shh, shh.
Excel?
Can't move.
I'm coming down to save you. Oh, fireworks. Whoa, what? Fireworks, turn on. Oh, that was not a good idea. I'm coming down, I'm coming down.
What is that? I don't know. What is that?
All right, let me open these. Let me close
I
the door for
literally
you. All right, are you good now? Shh.
Nope.
All right, we're good, we're good.
Chuck
we're good.
Testa.
Oh, shh, shh. Oh.
Whoa. What the
Did
fuck
he
was
hit
that?
you? He hit you with a pan.
Oh my god. No. Where are you guys?
Oh, car keys. Wait, I swear I saw car keys. Oh, perfect.
Guys.
Hey.
Yes.
Where's the car?
All right, if I place...
No, what is that thing? What is that thing?
Emily, are you out there? Oh, hey, I see you, Scar.
Hey.
I have the car keys. Axel's stuck inside the house. All right, I'm gonna leave and I'm gonna come back. I promise. Okay,
All right.
I'll be back. Keep it warm. All right, going back to the car. Going back to the car. I don't even know if this is the right way to the car. To the car.
Hey. Behind, guys, don't. Hey. You hear that? You hear that, right?
Hey.
Hey.
Uh,
Where's the car?
I don't know. I was looking for it. I got lost.
Oh, I'll show you guys. The car is this way. Where are you guys?
I have the car
Wait,
keys.
who's over there?
Axel's playing his
Oh,
little
it's
music. Wait, oh, that's a scarecrow. Okay, cool. Wait, there might be a wheel.
One at the car.
No wheel. Okay, cool. I'm coming back.
Over here. Oh. Shh.
Where is he?
I heard him.
Hey! Come out here, man!
Why?
He's like behind me, man. He's like he's coming.
Okay, what do we need? Battery and more wheels.
Yeah. I'm having problems.
We don't wanna.
Get a drink.
Oh my god, get a drink. Get your mocha.
Oh my
Let's
God.
go, team. Jesus Christ! What was that witch? Did you guys see that?
No, I didn't see it.
A witch just came my
He
screen.
just comes.
Jesus Christ.
He's
dude.
crazy.
Stream.
That was so scary for no reason. Oh my god. Yo, it's Axel.
Check. Oh God.
Oh my god. What do we do with this?
my god.
Where did you go? Where did you go?
What are you doing? Oh my god, I'm gonna have a panic attack from this. Jesus Christ, man. Oh my god, it's like super hard mode. I'm gonna die if I get hit another time. Oh, he's back!
He died. Axel, where are you? Are you still in that house? We gotta get a move on.
Why me? Now I'm a rat. Where are my friends? Oh, I gotta find Axel. I gotta find Axel. Where are you, boy? All right, I'm back at the barn.
Oh my god, the witch!
Let's find. I guess we'll find Axel. Axel. Oh, there he is. Oh my god, he's running to them. Oh, they must be this way. I'm following. Guys, I would really warn you if I could. I'm just a little mouse.
This is so scary. I know he's nearby. Stop!
There they are. There they are. Hey! Hey guys, I'm a mouse! Hey, Emily, turn around, turn around! Hey, remember me? Look at me. Hey. Hi, Scara. Hey. Hey you, Axel. Hey, look at me. I can't hear them.
That has to be the car. Yes.
There they are. Alright, I'll go distract him. Where is Kaylynn?
I don't know where to go. I don't know where to go. I'm just gonna run.
My sister Kaylynn Corey. Maybe she went to the barn.
I'm scared. They're in the house. They're all together. I think he's in here. I think he's in here. No. Oh my god. Oh, that is literally disgusting.
Tori! Tori Vega, my sister! I have to distract the zombie, the monster. Oh, she died.
Oh my god. Hello?
Hey! Where are
my
you?
God.
Oh my god, Emily died.
Now it's just him. Oh, did he literally just... I think he just did that on purpose.
Oh my god.
We're okay.
We all
Okay.
died.
Oh, that was so scary.
That literally was horrifying. Ah.
Survivor. Hello. I'm a sergeant in a quick hand.
Right.
Guys, I got the map.
Oh, cool.
Oh.
Alright. We'll follow you. Hello! Who's this pretty boy?
Hi.
Oh my god, watch this, watch this. He's gonna meet a girl. Oh! Who stole that scarecrow? I was gonna make them date. I have one. Watch this. Oh my god. You guys are gonna get along so well. Stay there, guys. I'll be back. Bird drop.
Careful, Weston.
I know. I trip up on this stuff.
No,
What
you
does the
didn't.
fireworks do?
And I oop.
You just fell right.
Whoa. That's not a good idea, dude.
We should go.
Oh,
We
no.
should go. That's not a good idea.
We should go.
What can I do with the missile? Uh-oh.
Get off me, man.
Oh no. A wheel. Rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel.
Oh, I turned around 3 times and just did,
Someone want to take this wheel?
I'll take it.
Tori Vega just said, let's go to a sub.
Oh god. Can we go to the car? Where's the car?
Thank you for another gift. You're crazy. Thank you so much.
Yeah, so what I say, let's go. So what?
Cam says let's go like she's a Fortnite streamer.
So,
Here I am. one more wheel.
Mark ass Brownlee.
Uh-oh.
I was changing my sub goal.
We just need one more wheel, guy. Oh,
And
and
One
a
more
key.
wheel and a key. Perfect.
okay.
the
We
key
can go
has been
this
like
way now.
that.
Oh my god.
Okay, any keys? Any little Miss
No
Keys?
Little Miss Perfect.
Little Miss Perfect. Hey, come here, Little Miss Perfect. That's what my mom
Oh,
tells
a
me.
miss- Yeah.
Sorry.
Boy, boy, boy.
That was really scary. That was really scary. Sorry, sorry. I could not do it. Oh my god, sorry. I'm really sorry.
There's another barn. Yeah.
Why me? There was 4 of us. Why me? I hate this game. I'm a little mouse.
There's a house behind that. So if we go down,
Okay.
we go back this.
God.
Just keep going straight. Just keep going straight.
We're following
Oh, I'm
him.
running after him.
Oh.
Okay. There's a house.
Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh my god. To be fair, I did laugh at him. I guess it makes sense.
Oh my god, that's a wheel. We need this. Do we? If I can make them come here, I can show them the oh, okay, when Corey died. We're always the first dead.
I know. It's so upsetting. I laughed at him and then he killed me. You what?
You laughed at him and he killed you?
Yeah. If you found a wheel, I know where they are. They're
Okay,
at
yeah,
the
if
house.
you can lead them.
Little doggy, there's a little dog at the
Oh, he's so cute.
Oh my god. Dude, you gotta see. I set up these 2 scarecrows at the start of the game, and they're dating.
They're heading
they?
towards another house in like the car area. He just set those off.
Oh,
Oh, and like-
I got distracted. Oh no, they're gonna die. They're gonna die. They're gonna die.
Oh.
Hey, hey, little mouse. Hey,
Oh my god, hi.
hi. Nice to meet you.
Oh, you're
Fast bear pizza. I know. Look down. You can see yourself. Dude, if you follow me, I can show you the scarecrows that are dating.
Where are you?
Right here, right here. Follow me. Do you see them?
Oh, yeah.
They're dating.
Oh.
What do you think their names are?
Jeremiah and like Ashley. Or actually Jeremiah and
Oh.
Brody.
Oh my, I could see that. I was thinking like Jeremiah and Ashton, but
Whoa,
Brody
I like
or
that.
like Brody and Ashton.
Maybe not Brody and Ashton. But maybe
Yeah,
like,
that's too much dominance in one group.
yeah, maybe like Brody and oh, they got the car. Oh.
But hey, wait for
This is
us!
so awkward. Wait,
Hey,
guys,
hey, hey, wait for us!
Guys, wait.
Wait,
Guys,
guys!
guys, wait.
Volume is too loud.
Guys, wait.
Guys, wait up!
Hello? Young man.
Young money.
To me.
Anybody want to guess the code?
Oh my god. You could try.
So
We
wait,
should
how
try
do we
and
even
get
figure it
the-
out?
Yeah, so
every
the
every
combina-
building has a like a square and a number on it, or like a shape and a number.
Fuel.
Oh, nice.
Let's see what's right there.
I'm gonna turn the radio on, and we can run.
Okay. Oh god.
Ew.
I like the name.
Every house has a shape and a number.
I like the name Jude.
I know where to find it on the farm place. I can never find it on these. Sorry.
Maybe. I like
Oh,
months of
square is
the,
8. Square's 8.
Ooh, square 8, square 8. Oh, I got a car battery. We already got that right though.
Noise.
And car keys.
Oh my god.
Oh,
So many pranks in this little game.
Ooh, I got one of the
Oh, that's
cards.
good.
It's 8 for the square. 8 for the square.
yeah, I already said that.
Oh, sorry,
Axel
I
did
guess.
just say that.
Ooh.
to the car.
I ran into a wall.
Emma,
Hey, Kaylin, you know who you look like?
a super cool person.
Billy Jean's number.
Emily?
That's what you look like. You look like
She just
MJ.
walked away. Can you know who you look like? James Charles.
Hi, sisters.
It's straight ahead.
So we found the code on this? Shh.
Yeah, where's the code on the farmhouse?
Somewhere around here. But I hear him.
Right?
Wait, I gotta find the code. So what just happened? Did they spray you with mace? I couldn't find the code. Hey guys. All right, let's load up this this battery. Boop, boop.
Review.
Let's get that
Oh
car
my
key.
god. We've got all sorts of things.
And we'll need one more wheel.
One more wheel. Okay, that could be in one of the tent things.
Any wheels? Any wheels?
Is it downstairs?
Jesus.
What is happening up there?
Oh my god.
All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Left?
Yeah. Okay.
No. Look out, hand.
Oh my god.
Guys, we gotta get out of here. He is so close. He is so close. We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. Hey, rat. Hey, little baby rat. Hey, jump twice if you are cute. Aw, that's so cute.
Where is he? Turn the radio on.
He's here. He's here. Everyone crouch.
Quick, quick.
Okay, let's try and look at one of those.
That's so scary, dude. That's so scary. Let's go to this like one of those little like barn places, like the mini barns. Those always have wheels.
Ooh, okay, yeah.
I love that. I love that Axel's still with us as a little mouse.
I know.
Hey, little sweet boy.
My skincare? Man, I have nothing. I really do not take care of myself.
Do you moisturize?
I do. I use a nut moisturizer. It's like wheel.
Wheel.
The car's this way.
Let's go.
I wanna
James
do
Charles,
it
you
right
catching up? All right, cool.
Caitlin, you're so scary.
You are so scary. You're always like back there, and like this light is coming from your face. Shh, shh. Ooh, at least crouch. That's so scary. All
I can't crouch.
right, let's load up.
Wait. Other side. Okay, get ready
Wheel.
to get in the car.
All right, I'm ready. Let's go. Enter car.
Okay.
Too
my
easy. Too
God.
easy.
Oh my
We're so good at this.
Oh, we're gonna make him harder, I think.
I don't know if we need to make it harder.
We want to make him as
Can we
hard as
please
possible.
turn up?
Yeah, we want him hard.
Can we please make him hard?
We need to make this guy
I don't
hard.
think it. I think it should be pretty
Was
easy
it
to
like
make
a
him hard.
medium?
You want to make him hard?
Well, we're trying to
We
make him
have
hard. We're trying to
We're
make him
trying
hard.
to. We want him to be hard.
Oh, I want him to be
as
hard.
hard as possible.
You want him to be hard?
Like really hard.
We're trying to make him hard.
Super hard. Okay, so I'm the
Okay.
trapper and the repairman. So I have a bear trap and
Okay.
I repair the car.
Well, I have the map again. I really don't like having this responsibility.
Yo, I say,
Did you just
do you just
throw
throw a
something?
rock? You pervert?
Yeah,
you
you can
just
throw
throw a
rocks
rock?
with T.
Yo, I say we try to open up that gun shop.
I think that I want to do that because we haven't done that yet.
Let's do it. Dude, it's just so hard to find the numbers. Like, I never know where they are.
Hello. Uh-oh.
Don't need that.
Bear trap. This guy can't get in here.
We should go to another house and find another
There-
letter. We should just go house to house.
True.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
we can-
let's speed run the guns. All right. Oh!
Where do
Let's
we
go.
Where
Let's
do
go.
we
Let's go.
Where do we
Oh, I started following him. I thought that was Emily.
Here.
Map
this
boy.
way.
Car battery.
Map boy.
Wait, this is the car.
We're
Oop.
leaving map boy. And I oop?
I love and I oop. I love and I oop.
She's so funny. Stop that.
Oh my god, they're actually beautiful. They're actually fireworks.
Oh.
Oh my god, look at that thing move. That thing be bouncing. I'm a little scared, man.
Square is also 0.
Oh, square 0, X 0. Okay, cool.
I have a wheel.
Hey, oh my god. In here that needs to be picked up?
No.
Okay, okay.
Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, what's the way out?
Let's do that.
To the car?
Yeah.
Wanna go back to the car?
To the car.
Dad.
So square and X are 0. Square and X 0.
Saturdays are for dads and dad's car
And Dad's car.
and dad's car.
Saturdays are for dads. Am I wearing the camo?
And yeah, you look so good.
You are.
This is actually a
Take a
look.
picture
I
of
swear to
me?
God, this is a look. I'll send it to you. I'm gonna take a picture.
Thank you.
Oh, let's type it in. XO square. Oh.
X and square are 0.
We could honestly guess the other two.
Oh yeah, should we?
We could.
Maybe not.
Here, I'll do the one on the
No,
left.
maybe
No, that's.
Which
happened?
came at me?
not. That was so scary. That was scarier for me than anyone.
Oh my
This
god.
really just
Have we
came
been here? Woo! Oh, that was so scary.
What do we need?
We have some keys, right?
Oh god. I don't think we have keys. Oh no.
No.
Oh look, a battery.
Just a bunch of nothing. Just a bunch of trash. I got a car battery. Do you need it?
No. Let's turn this TV on. Let's get out. Go. Go.
Oh, TV on. Let's
Alright,
go.
let's
Let's
get
go.
out of here.
There's a place downtown where the fools all come
Freaks all
around.
come
Freaks all
around.
come around. It's a hole in
Chris,
the
I don't
wall.
know if
It's a
you've
dirty.
been here. Oh, we've been here. God
Oh my
damn it.
god. We've been everywhere.
We'll double check to see.
Oh, I hear the witchy.
Okay, we just need key
Oh.
and fuel. Oh, you
We
got
just
the
need a
fuel.
key.
Oh, I saw him. He's
Yeah.
straight ahead.
Okay, so this is the bomb.
Oh my god, the witch!
To the left and to
She's such a freak.
He just
This
ran
one
by.
looks
I saw him. I saw him with my own 2 eyes. It was really, really scary.
Oh, Weston.
What kind of a house does not have a
Oh, the
bathroom?
dog's outside. Got the key.
Oh, I got a key too.
Alright,
No code. No code.
Wait,
in
did
the...
you guys want to go to the armory?
Yes, but we don't
Yeah,
have a code.
if we find the code in here, we could literally guess the last one.
Oh,
Okay. You haven't been able to find it inside? Maybe it's out.
Hey guys. I couldn't find the
That's
code.
Weston.
Couldn't
Where's
find the
Emily?
code. Oh, Emily? She's laughing. You can
we
hear
gotta move
her.
that way.
Alright, I don't know if we're ever gonna get in the armory.
Is everyone? Where's Axel?
I think
don't
he
know,
went
we lost
off
the-
on his own.
I
On his
think he went on
own.
his own way. I don't know what happened to him.
Okay.
Axel?
Alright.
Axel?
Guys,
Shh.
Oh, Axel, right here. Oh.
was that in the corner?
He
Just pass by.
seems kind of nice.
I think he has a crush.
I think he's kind of cute. Alright, I don't know if we're ever gonna get in the armory. Should we just go to the car?
Yeah, I think so. Well, we can leave anyway. Yeah, we can try and kill him. The car is this way.
Okay, Weston, come on.
Hello, car.
This is Axel.
Axel!
Okay, we just need to find Axel.
Come to the car!
He's not gonna have any idea where it is. We're gonna have to find
We
him.
have to get him.
We gotta find
We
this
need a
guy.
rescue mission.
Alright, rescue mission, Axel. Axel?
Yeah.
He might be
Keep
this way.
flashing.
Maybe he's towards the armory.
Estonia!
Oh yeah, he might be. Okay, so
He's still
armory's
trying to do the
right,
code.
though.
I know he loves armory and weapon. He loves guns, so that must be where he is.
He loves.
Oh, there's a
it.
house
He
here.
he's obsessed with bullets, any ammunition, any type of that stuff. He's obsessed. He is.
He is.
Wait, I thought I
Mr.
just heard him.
Axel.
Axel!
Yeah, he's here.
Hey!
Hello.
He's doing Morse code. Hey!
Found you.
We had to look for you.
Yo.
Okay.
You want to go home?
Alright, let's go.
It's beautiful. Wow! Those fireworks were beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's go, let's go, let's go! He got on me.
Let's go, let's go. Ready?
Let's go!
I'm in.
Get in, Axel!
Is everyone in?
I'm in.
Alright.
Man.
I'm in, baby.
Let's go.
Another great game.
Yay.
Ah.
Easiest game of my life.